Mauricio?
Yeah, cache is what everyone calls me.
This guy's making some cool magic here, like bringing colors in. Beautiful. Look at this place.
Yeah, cache is what everyone calls me. That's my
Caches?
cache.
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 Nice to meet you. Tony. Tony Brito.
Here?
Originally Cabo Verde. Cape Verde, west coast of Africa. You know where?
Yeah, I'm from Guatemala. Yeah, no.
Nice. We finally made it to World Cup. But yeah, right? I live in Providence. I've been here for like 15, 16 years. This guy is making some cool magic here, like bringing colors in. Beautiful. Look at this place. What is this place?
So this is like a center where people can actually paint on the back, that actually work with the communities.
Oh, really? That's awesome. And you did all this? Wow. How long it took you?
Till Sunday. I got to fly back to Los Angeles.
Wow.
I'm Guatemalan. I was
Uh-huh.
born in Guatemala. And this is one of the weavings that you see mostly in our textiles, which is mostly, it is a Mayan design. I am part Mayan.
Gotcha.
So yeah, I just wanted to bring a little bit of this flavor. Because of the ice raids that are happening right now, I feel like it's very important to represent who we are. Yeah, shove it in our faces and
Wish
not
this-
removing it.
Do you think you can control the song from your phone?
I'm fucking half asleep.
No worries, you're good.
Yeah, man, been here all night.
Oh, the whole night?
Yeah.
Holy
Slept
shit.
like 3 hours and then came back.
Wow.
Yeah,
Man, you're even doing good, my man.
of course, man.
Mauricio.
Mauricio, yeah.
Mauricio.
My Instagram is Kachicken. You can find me.
Hey, chicken.
Kachicken, yeah.
Yeah, do you mind put it here?
Yeah.
And I share.
Been living in LA for 38 years. So, but these are the colors that represent my country. These are the designs
Wow.
that are Mayan designs.
Uh-huh.
And actually, the reason I wanted to bring this here is because the ice raids that are happening at the moment are affecting a lot of our communities.
Yes.
Hispanic, indigenous people from
Yes.
like, many countries. But I see a lot of people from Guatemala and LA like getting caught up on the raids and the indignity of the way people are being treated.
Yes.
This is a calling card saying like, hey, no matter what the fuck these fools are doing,
Yes.
we're still here.
We're still
You know what I
here,
mean?
exactly.
We're a big part of the fabric of this society.
And I love that.
And that's what this is.
It needs to be shared.
Yeah.
Not just keep it forgotten, you know? We gotta share it so we can get to know and it's how we all get to know each other.
Exactly.
My man. Appreciate
meeting
you.
you, man.
Nice to meet you
Yeah,
too.
first person that
And
I've met
yeah, no, this guy's been slept for 3 hours and it's been here like since
Tuesday night.
Tuesday night. And look at the amazing work he's been doing. That's crazy. And some other place it takes like 3 months to finish doing this, like in the amount of days that you did. And it's all perfect.
Trying to get it.
It's all beautiful. My man, I appreciate you.
Nice meeting you, man.
And thanks for bringing colors to this world. We need more things like this.
Enjoy it, bro.
Yeah, thank you.